Hey, it's Tony talking Car Biz. This is the kid catcher that you want if you're trying to move people around. It's the 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE edition. Man, this is a good looking vehicle in that silver and the chrome wheels. Hey, this is a 2025 XLE hybrid, and we haven't seen one on the dealer's lots that are available for sale right now today. You can actually buy this one and take it home today. Guys, I'm telling you, it's been years since I've seen one sitting on the lot. Usually they're pre-sold. So this is your XLE trim, and it is really a nice one. It's been upgraded with all kinds of great features on the inside and on the outside. So dual power doors on here, of course. And this particular one's upgraded with the entertainment system up there, the 1080p entertainment system, 120 volt power points up there, 7 passenger seating, just a really great vehicle. And if you've ever ridden or driven in one of these, it's an amazing vehicle. People love them. They have great resale value, quality second to none. Hey, in this video, we're going to take this one for a spin. I want to show you all the great features on the inside and give you my opinion of the ride and the drive. So let's go ahead and jump inside, take it for a ride. The XLE trim for the Sienna is kind of in the middle of the road, and then the way this one's been upgraded takes it very, very close to the limited edition. Just hits all the sweet spots with the niceties that are on here. So this is upgraded with the premium package, which gives you the 12.3-inch touchscreen here, and it's the JBL audio system. So you pick up some extra speakers up here in the A-pillars, and there's also a subwoofer, so really great sound system. Stop by the dealership, give it a look and a listen. This 12.3-inch screen is really, really great in terms of visibility, especially when you go into that reverse mode. Gives you lots of coverage for the driveway as you're backing out of the garage. So if the kids left any of their little bikes or toys out in the driveway, you're going to be able to see those pretty nicely. Lots of great features. I'll go over them as we move forward, but I want to let you know this one has been upgraded with that great sound system and the 12.3-inch touchscreen, which is really, really sweet. So, as I said earlier, finding a new Sienna on a dealer's lot available for sale today that you can actually take home today has not been a thing for really years with the Toyota lineup. So during COVID, it just basically everyone we got allocated was sold. Before it got to the dealership, it would show up on the truck and the people would pick it up and take it home. So to find a new one on the lot has been unheard of for a couple of years, and we just got really fortunate and we've got this XLE. This is a silver sky metallic with a light gray interior, nice combination. The Sienna arguably is the best minivan on the market. Now, it's probably its stiffest competition is the Honda Odyssey, but do your homework on the two different vehicles, because I think you'll find that, believe it or not, Honda has had some quality challenges with the Odyssey. Do your own homework, read some of the reviews, and decide for yourself, but drive both of them also. The Sienna is, well, number one, it's a hybrid, okay? Available in a two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. And as a hybrid, that means it has the gas-electric combination engine on it. And the amazing thing about this is the power, the performance, and the fuel economy combined in this unit. It is a full-size, up to 8-passenger vehicle. Now this one has captain's chairs here and in the second row, and then the 3-person bench way in the back. So you've got this is a 7-passenger, but imagine this: 245 horsepower, hybrid synergy system that has a combined fuel economy, city and highway, of 36 miles per gallon. I mean, I remember when the Toyota Corolla got it 36 miles per gallon, and people were so surprised and delighted by that. 36 miles per gallon. Really great. Now, I don't know if you can tell it on the video, but this is a very quiet vehicle. smooth 18-inch aluminum wheels on here with the chrome wheel covers. Looks awesome outside. As far as features on the inside, of course, we have power steering. This is going to be electric power steering. We have fingertip controls for the cruise control on this side, dynamic radar cruise control. We have lane tracing. We have parking assist. We have backup monitors. Just a lot of great safety features built into this. Pre-collision, just the top of the line safety features for you and your family. You're going to be, most people who are buying these are hauling kiddos around in the back seat. So you definitely want to have all the great safety features that you'll get out of a Sienna. Now I'm driving up this hill and no problem, no sweat, just moving along just fine. From an acceleration perspective, when I get over to the highway on the entrance ramp, I'll punch it and you'll be able to see just how much, how great the handling and the acceleration is on this. As far as features, we've got automatic temperature control for driver and front passenger. Also heated seats for the front driver and front passenger, 3 different settings. So all those comfort and convenience features. We've got an auto dimming mirror up top. We've got home link, so you can set up and program your garage door openers, all built in up there. Of course, we have power sliding doors on both sides. There's buttons up here to be able to do that. We've got the kid catcher mirror up here, the convex mirror, so we can see if the kids are getting in and out of their car seats or whatever. We can keep our eye on them a little bit. As far as visibility, huge windshield, so we're going to be able to see really well out the front. We've got big outside mirrors on here as well. And again, when you're driving around in your kid catcher, the Sienna, having that visibility, because kids pop out of the strangest places, and just to be able to see what's in front of you, behind you, in your rearview mirrors, your backup camera, a lot of safety built into it. Now, down here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's kind of a package shelf here, but built into that package shelf, there's a wireless charger. So I can drop my phone in, just drop it in there. It'll automatically connect to the sound system, so I can make and receive calls automatically with Bluetooth. But it's also charging the phone. So when I get to wherever I need to be, my phone's going to be fully charged. There's also a USB-C plug here on the lower dash. Nice place here for cups, drinks. There's another place to put a cell phone. They call this the bridge in the middle here, which is very similar to what the Prius had for years. And I really like it because it brings everything up high. The armrest is built in here, very comfortable, but then I've got a tremendous amount of storage down underneath the bridge, and there's a 12-volt outlet down there as well, so I can plug in my my 12-volt items down in that area. So lots of places to store. There's another cup holder and another storage compartment just behind the shifter, and then there's a huge storage compartment behind that you can store your purse or your handbag or what have you, just to get it out of sight and out of mind. So the amount of storage up front is tremendous. And of course there is a glove box over here as well with the owner's manuals, and that's a locking glove box, so you can lock it up to add a little extra security on there. Now the instrument cluster, I know you can't see it on the video, but it's an all digital instrument cluster, and it does have your fuel economy, outside temperature. There's a compass in there. Right now it's 81 degrees outside. Nice cockpit. It does not feel like a minivan cockpit when I'm sitting behind the wheel. It really feels like an SUV, but it's got all the practicality behind the driver's seat for all the kids and all the gear that they come with, the strollers and the playpens and pack and plays and all that stuff. I know all about kids. This year, all 3 of my kids, my triplets, 18 years old, they all graduated high school. So we got those 18 years under our belt, and now they're headed off to college in the fall. But can you imagine having triplets and not having a minivan? We had a minivan, getting the strollers in and out and getting the kids in their car seats. It's the perfect vehicle if you have children. It's the perfect vehicle if you have senior parents who have a hard time bending their knees or getting up in and out of things. Let's try this performance here real quick. So no problem getting up to highway speed before the end of the ramp. Now this is a longer ramp than most, but no problem doing that. This XLE does have a power sliding sunroof. That's where my camera's hanging down from. And right now it's closed. The sunroof is, and the visor's open. So I'm just gonna let you listen for a minute for wind noise. And road noise. And today is a windy day. There's probably 15 to 20 mile an hour crosswinds right now, so it's a really quiet vehicle. And just, I don't know, it just doesn't take any effort to drive it. It's comfortable, it's quiet, it's safe. You can see why people buy the Siennas and why we sell them as fast as Toyota can build them. We just can't get enough. If we had 20 of them on the lot today, we'd sell them all by the end of the weekend. It's just that vehicle. And I wanted to get out and test drive this one because it will sell and I won't have an opportunity to drive one. This is a 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE trim. And it is for sale right here at Smart Toyota in Madison, Wisconsin. So get on over, give them a call. You could take this home today. Let's talk about the warranties really quick. Toyota has a very comprehensive warranty package. So the first one is the 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty. That essentially covers the vehicle in its entirety against manufacturer defects. So if the power window stops working, those types of things, for 3 years or 36,000 miles, no deductible. And then the powertrain warranty, under the hood warranties, there's actually 3 warranties under the hood. The first one is the gasoline engine warranty. That's going to be a 5-year, 60,000 mile gasoline transmission. So the engine and the transmission, 560, no deductible. The hybrid system, actually, like the mechanicals of the hybrid, the electric motors and such, that has an 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty, no deductible. And then the battery, the hybrid battery, has a 10-year, 150,000 mile warranty, no deductible. So really great warranties. And of course you do get Toyota Care with every Toyota. Is 2 years, 25,000 miles of maintenance, complimentary maintenance, so oil changes, tire rotations, and roadside assistance for 2 years, 25,000 miles. No cost to you. And it is, we actually sell that package as an upgrade on used cars for $350. So that's a $350 value. So what I'm going to try to show you now is the Sienna is a big vehicle. I mean, it is a long vehicle, 7-passenger. And one of the things that people are concerned about is, maneuvering it in and out of tight spaces. So I'm just going to crank the wheel. I just want to show you the turning radius here with the wheel all already turned, and just kind of show you how quickly this vehicle actually turns around in a very, very, very small area. So super easy to get this vehicle in and out of parking spaces, and very easy to run around and drive in. It handles great. It's very smooth. So, hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments. If you're interested in this vehicle, give Smart Motors a call. It is on the lot today. What is today? June 27th, I think it is, Friday. So it's available. Give them a call, and you won't be disappointed. The Sienna is a terrific vehicle. This is Tony talking Car Biz. Thanks for watching.